Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. Let's go. Worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0. The Worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0 combines power and versatility, making it a must-have for DIYers and professionals alike. Its standout feature is the dual rotating chucks, allowing you to switch between drill and driver bits effortlessly, saving time and streamlining tasks. Powered by a robust brushless motor, it delivers 445 Nm of torque and reaches speeds up to 1700 RPM, offering 65% more power than its predecessor. The lightweight, compact design at just 2.4 pounds ensures ease of use and access to tight spaces, while the digital interface provides precise torque control with 9 adjustable settings. Its compatibility with over 140 tools in the Worx PowerShare lineup adds incredible value, making it an excellent addition to your toolkit. With features like a variable speed trigger and a 2-speed gearbox, this tool handles everything from delicate driving applications to heavy-duty drilling. Complete with accessories, a battery, and a charger, the SwitchDriver is ready to tackle a variety of tasks. Worx 20V Axis 2-in-1. The Worx 20V Axis 2-in-1 delivers unmatched versatility with its pivoting head, letting you switch between a jigsaw and reciprocating saw at the press of a button. Perfect for intricate woodworking or straight cuts through tough materials, this saw cuts through wood, metal, plastic, and even tree limbs with ease. Weighing just 4.2 pounds, the lightweight design allows for extended use without strain. The orbital action enhances efficiency, doubling cutting capacity compared to standard saws, while the integrated blower ensures a clear line of sight. Compatible with universal blades and part of the PowerShare lineup, this tool works with over 140 Worx batteries, adding expandability to your collection. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, the compact, durable design and included accessories make this saw a reliable companion for various tasks. With a dust blower, quick blade changes, and versatility in materials, the Axis 2-in-1 is built for convenience and performance. SKIL Twist 2.0. The SKIL Twist 2.0 cordless screwdriver is perfect for everyday tasks around the home. Its pivoting head locks into 3 positions: 0 degrees, 22.5, and 45 degrees for ergonomic use in tight spaces. With 3 torque settings, this tool adapts seamlessly to different jobs, from assembling furniture to removing vent grills. The integrated LED light ensures visibility in low light conditions, while the rechargeable battery with USB-C charging adds convenience. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's ideal for quick fixes like removing ceiling screws or assembling flat-pack furniture. Despite its compact size, it offers impressive battery life, often lasting weeks on a single charge. With a sturdy build and included 28-piece bit set, the Twist 2.0 is reliable for light-duty applications. While it's not designed for heavy-duty tasks, it shines as a convenient alternative to a manual screwdriver, perfect for those who value ease and efficiency in home projects. Worx 4V Electric Screwdriver. The Worx 4V Electric Screwdriver redefines convenience with its quick-draw bit change system, allowing you to switch between 6 stored bits with a single slide. Lightweight at just 1.1 pounds, it's perfect for extended use without hand fatigue, making it great for tasks like furniture assembly and basic repairs. This screwdriver's built-in battery can hold a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring it's ready when you need it. The integrated screw holder allows for one-handed operation, while the compact design is easy to maneuver in tight spaces. It comes equipped with 6 common bits stored in an internal cartridge, so you'll never misplace them. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts, it's not a heavy-duty tool, but excels in everyday applications. Whether you're tackling a home improvement project or need a reliable tool for quick fixes, the Worx 4V delivers simplicity, functionality, and value in one neat package. RAK Magnetic Pickup Tool. The RAK Magnetic Pickup Tool is a game-changer for anyone working in tight or dark spaces. Its telescoping neck extends up to 22 inches and features a 360-degree flexible head, making it ideal for retrieving screws, nuts, and bolts from hard-to-reach places. Equipped with a strong magnetic base, it offers hands-free convenience on metallic surfaces. The built-in LED lights illuminate dark areas, ensuring precision even in crawl spaces or attics. Compact and lightweight, it's a handy addition to any toolbox, especially for automotive repairs, plumbing, and household fixes. Pre-installed batteries power the tool right out of the box, with spares included for added value. Whether you're gifting this to a DIY enthusiast or adding it to your own toolkit, the RAK Magnetic Pickup Tool proves to be both practical and reliable. It's an essential tool for those who value efficiency and adaptability in their projects. RAK Magnetic Wristband. The RAK Magnetic Wristband is a game-changer for DIYers and professionals who want to keep essential hardware within reach. With 10 strong embedded magnets, it securely holds screws, nails, bolts, and drill bits, saving you the frustration of constantly searching for small parts. This versatile wristband is perfect for home improvement, carpentry, auto repair, and more. Designed with a breathable mesh and adjustable strap, it offers a comfortable fit for all-day wear. Its rugged 1680 ballistic nylon construction ensures durability, even for demanding projects. Beyond being practical, it makes an excellent gift for any handyman or DIY enthusiast, packaged in stylish color packaging. Whether strapped to your wrist, belt, or hung on a workbench, this magnetic screw holder maximizes convenience and efficiency. For anyone tired of juggling tools and fasteners, the RAK Magnetic Wristband is a smart and thoughtful addition to any toolbox. It's practical, comfortable, and built to last. Gerber Gear Suspension. The Gerber Gear Suspension NXT is a 15-in-1 multi-tool designed for rugged functionality and compact convenience. Built with stainless steel for durability, this tool features needle-nose pliers, a partially serrated blade, wire strippers, screwdrivers, and more. Its butterfly design and locking mechanism ensure safety and ease of use. Weighing just 6.4 ounces and measuring 4.25 inches when closed, the multi-tool is lightweight and portable, fitting seamlessly in your pocket or attaching to gear with a pocket clip. It's an essential companion for outdoor adventures, camping, or everyday carry, offering practicality for tradesmen and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're opening bottles, stripping wires, or tackling survival tasks, the Suspension NXT handles it all. Backed by Gerber's limited lifetime warranty, it's a reliable and versatile tool for various projects. Compact yet powerful, it's a valuable addition to your EDC kit, promising efficiency and resilience. RAK Multitool Pen. The RAK Multitool Pen is an ingenious EDC gadget packed with 8 functions in one sleek design. It combines a ballpoint pen, LED light, stylus tip, ruler, bubble level, bottle opener, and screwdriver heads, flathead and Phillips, for ultimate versatility. Crafted with a durable aluminum body, it's built to withstand tough projects, making it ideal for home improvement, construction, and everyday fixes. The pen also comes with 2 ink refills, ensuring long-term use. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in a pocket or tool belt, perfect for quick fixes on the go. This multi-tool pen is more than just functional. It's an excellent gift for anyone who appreciates practical tools. Whether as a stocking stuffer or a thoughtful present for a handyman or tech enthusiast, it's sure to impress. Stylish, sturdy, and highly practical, the RAK Multitool Pen is a clever tool you'll reach for daily. Firbon A4 Paper Cutter. The Firbon A4 Paper Cutter is a reliable guillotine-style cutting tool, ideal for craft enthusiasts, students, and professionals. It delivers clean, precise cuts for A3, A4, and A5 paper, photos, and laminated materials up to 1.5 millimeters thick. Capable of cutting up to 10 sheets at once, it's efficient for small to medium-sized projects. The cutter's lightweight and compact design make it portable and easy to store, while its safety mechanism ensures the blade only engages when pressed down, making it safe for use around children. With a built-in angle measuring plate and dual CME for inch scale, achieving accurate cuts is effortless. Whether crafting wedding invitations, greeting cards, or school projects, the Firbon A4 paper cutter provides versatility and precision. Its replaceable blade adds to its longevity, making it a valuable addition to any home, office, or classroom. Durable, user-friendly, and precise, this paper cutter is a must-have for anyone who values accuracy and safety. MicroJig Fitfinder Half Gauge. The MicroJig Fitfinder Half Gauge simplifies woodworking with its precision and ease of use. Designed to find the half thickness of materials up to 3 inches, it's perfect for creating precise joints, setting fences, and determining cutting depths without any math or measuring. This tool is ideal for tasks like dado and lap joints, letting you lock in measurements and transfer them directly to saw blades or router bits for flawless results. It's also great for centering stock on a lathe, ensuring safety and accuracy in spindle turning. Crafted for efficiency, the Fitfinder has been a game changer for woodworkers, especially during complex projects. Its sturdy build ensures durability, and its intuitive design significantly reduces setup time. For anyone tackling detailed woodworking, this gauge is an indispensable tool. Whether for hobbyists or seasoned professionals, the MicroJig Fitfinder streamlines your workflow with precision and reliability. 3D MicroJig Push Block. The MicroJig Gerber Ripper 3D Push Block is an essential safety tool for woodworkers, offering unmatched precision and control. Its innovative 3-directional force system enhances safety by providing downward pressure to prevent kickback, inward pressure to keep stock firmly against the fence, and forward pressure for smooth feeding and cleaner cuts. The push block's high-friction green grip material ensures an exceptional grip on a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, and aluminum, even in dusty conditions. Its treaded grooves further improve traction, making it a reliable companion for table saws, jointers, routers, and bandsaws. Fully adjustable and designed in the USA, The GR ripper accommodates various workpiece sizes, even down to quarter-inch ripping, ensuring accuracy and versatility. The ergonomic handle adds comfort during extended use, while the durable construction withstands demanding tasks. If safety and precision are priorities in your woodworking projects, the MicroJig GR ripper is a game-changing addition to your workshop. Its design and functionality provide the confidence to work smarter and safer. Fulton Precision Miter Gauge. The Fulton Precision Miter Gauge is a thoughtfully engineered solution for accurate crosscuts on your table saw. Its robust aluminum head features 13 positive stop angles, including 90 degrees, 22.5 degrees, and 45 degrees, making it versatile for most woodworking needs. Adjusting the head is simple, thanks to the spring-loaded indexing pin and secure locking mechanism. The miter gauge comes with a solid steel bar that fits standard 3/4-inch miter slots and includes a removable retaining disc to prevent accidental lifting during use. Its aluminum fence, designed for compatibility with most miter gauges, adds stability and features angled ends for close workpiece support. The included flipstop ensures consistent cuts, enhancing efficiency. Durable and precise, the Fulton miter gauge offers both practicality and performance. The package also includes left-to-right and right-to-left sticky-back measuring tapes for added convenience. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned woodworker, this miter gauge is a reliable upgrade for your workshop. Avid Power Tire Inflator Air Compressor. The Avid Power Tire Inflator Air Compressor is a versatile and reliable tool for on-the-go inflation needs. Featuring an auto shut-off function, it stops inflating once the desired pressure is reached, ensuring accuracy within 1 psi. Its dual power supply, 20 volts rechargeable battery, and a 12-volt DC adapter provides flexibility and reliability during trips or emergencies. Capable of inflating a car tire to 38 psi in just 3 to 5 minutes, this compact compressor is ideal for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and more. While not suited for oversized vehicle tires, it handles most standard inflatables with ease. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, and built-in LED lighting illuminates dark workspaces. With accessories like multiple nozzles, a tool bag, and a charger included, this inflator is ready for immediate use. Durable, efficient, and easy to use, the Avid Power Tire Inflator is a must-have tool for anyone seeking convenience and peace of mind on the road. Malco FS2F350 Two-Station Metal Bender. The Malco FS2F350 Metal Bender is a professional-grade tool designed for precise bends under 150 mm, ideal for panel profiling and snap block installations. Its adjustable roller spacing, 0.5 mm to 1 mm, accommodates various materials, including steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and zinc, offering excellent versatility for metalworking. The bender's exclusive angled rollers prevent scratches on materials during 90-degree bends, ensuring a clean, professional finish. Its rugged construction and compact design make it a reliable tool for demanding applications, while its ergonomic design enhances user comfort during extended use. Perfect for pros in roofing, metalwork, or other trades, the FS2F350 delivers consistent results and improves efficiency in creating high-quality bends. Whether you're working with intricate profiles or standard materials, this metal bender is a dependable choice for precision and durability. SKIL Router Table. The SKIL Router Table Combo Kit is an excellent package for precise and efficient woodworking. The router table features above-the-table adjustment, integrated bit storage, and a robust aluminum miter gauge slot for seamless routing. The tall aluminum fence, paired with adjustable featherboards and starter pin, ensures excellent stability for handling larger stock. The included 10-amp fixed-base router offers smooth performance with soft start functionality, speed control, and a live tool indicator for added safety. The combination of a powerful motor and precise table setup makes this kit versatile for heavy-duty routing and intricate tasks. Designed for convenience, the table's compact design fits easily into most workshops, while the router's ergonomic features ensure comfortable, extended use. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, the SKIL Router Table Combo Kit is a high-quality, reliable solution for your woodworking projects, delivering precision and ease in one powerful package. These 15 coolest tools on Amazon bring together functionality, innovation, and style to enhance your everyday projects. From multitasking screwdrivers to high-performance routers, each tool is crafted to meet the demands of DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're upgrading your workshop or simply looking for a practical gadget to save time, these Amazon finds offer incredible value and reliability. Ready to revolutionize your toolkit? Click the links in our review to explore these amazing Amazon tools and discover how they can transform your projects, whether big or small.